How to sell crypto on Kraken wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on the Kraken wallet. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Kraken and you want to make sure that you're logged into your wallet account. Now once you're logged in there, what you want to do is you'll get an interface look like this. Now it's taking some time to load up, so let it load up. At the bottom you can see the home, explore, portfolio and account option. You want to simply head into your portfolio option and you'll be able to see your assets there. Now in my case I don't have any assets, but you'll be able to see your assets. Once you see their assets, you want to simply tap on that particular asset, and now there you'll get the sell option. Now I don't have any assets, so it's not showing the sell option, but you'll get the sell option, and you can tap on sell, enter in the amount and enter in other details, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can sell crypto on Kraken. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.